tonight. Kill tonight. Show them all you're not the ordinary type. Let's kill tonight. Kill tonight. Show them all you're not the ordinary type. Let's kill tonight. May your feet serve you well, and the rest be sent to hell, where they always have belonged. Cold toss through colder songs, fate will play us out with a song of pure romance. So stomp your feet and clap your hands. Let's kill tonight. Kill tonight. Show them all you're not the ordinary type. Let's kill tonight. Kill tonight. Show them all you're not the ordinary type. Let's kill tonight. Kill tonight. Show them all you're not the ordinary type. Let's kill tonight. Kill tonight. Show them all you're not the ordinary type. Let's kill tonight. Once upon a thrill, from a kiss to a swill, we were swallowing the nights like we had 9 lives. Dead and gone so long, 17 so gone. Dead and gone so long, 17 so. We were borderline kids with a book of disorders, medicating every day to keep the straightness in order. Dead and gone so long, 17 so gone. Dead and gone so long, 17 so gone. It's a false side of hope where believers concede, and there's only memories when it's over. So pour out some liquor, make it an old fashioned. Remember your youth and all that you do, the plague and the passion. They were the best of times, they were the best of times. They were the best of times, they were the best of times of your life. Once upon before, we were brilliant and bored. 2 dashes of the bitters, add some ice in your pour. Dead and gone so long, 17 so gone. Dead and gone so long, 17 so gone. It's the false side of hope where believers concede, and there's only memories when it's over. So pour out some liquor, make it an old fashioned. Remember your youth and all that you do, the plague and the passion. They were the best of times, they were the best of times. They were the best of times, they were the best of times of your life. Booze it, no one looks like a wasteland. But the way that we remember, we were sick for the past. No, we take a bartender. Booze it, booze it, booze it. Get booze it, booze it, booze it. Just a dime store poet, keeping pace, talking his face blue. $2 store tramps to get a glance, a new chance at you. Walk past the dance floor, that's always been a dear friend of mine. Cuckolds and concubines, dancing in 4/4 time. Hey mister, the bellman says, I can only recall last night's hotel, I said. So he replies, and how do you manage? I dodged a blast and apologize for collateral damage. In love I've always been a mercenary, but I never leave my post when the cash runs out. I wanna make you quiver, make your backbone shiver. Hey kid, take the stage and deliver. Hey mister, the bellman says, I can only recall last night's hotel, I said. So he replies, and how do you manage? I dodged a blast and apologize for collateral damage.
How does it feel to stand on the very stones that ran with your parents' blood? Do you feel sad, full of rage? Or does that outfit help bury your feelings, hiding your true self? You are a truly extraordinary specimen. I look forward to breaking you.
I dodged a blast and apologize for collateral damage. Hey mister, the bellman says, I can only recall last night's hotel, I said. So he replies, and how do you manage? I dodged a blast and apologize for collateral damage. Hey mister, the bellman says, I can only recall last night's hotel, I said. So he replies, and how do you manage? I dodged a blast and apologize for collateral damage. This is gospel for the fallen ones, locked away in permanent slumber, assembling their philosophies from pieces of broken memories. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Their gnashing teeth and criminal tongues conspire against the odds, but they haven't seen the best of us yet. If you love me, let me go. If you love me, let me go. 'Cause these words are nice enough to leave scars. The fear of falling apart. Truth be told, I never was yours. The fear of falling apart. This is gospel for the vagabonds, ne'er-do-wells and insufferable bastards, confessing their apostasies, led away by imperfect imposters. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Don't try and sleep through the end of the world and bury me alive, 'cause I won't give up without a fight. If you love me, let me go. If you love me, let me go. 'Cause
stop with that, babe. You're paranoid.
What am I supposed to think? Every night you go out with your friends to those illegal strip clubs?
I told you before, babe, I ain't going to no illegal clubs. I gotta go to work to pay for this dumpy apartment. Now stop your complaining, because I gotta go.
No, don't go.
I gotta go. And don't wait up for me.
Now I'm of consenting age to be forgetting you in a cabaret somewhere downtown where a burlesque queen may even ask my name as she sheds her skin on stage. I'm seated and sweating to a dance song on the club's PA. The strip joint veteran sits to away, smirking between dignified sips of his dignified peach and lime daiquiri. And isn't this exactly where you like me? I'm exactly where you like me, you know. Praying for love in a lap dance and playing in naivety. Oh, isn't this exactly where you like me? I'm exactly where you like me, you know. Praying for love in a lap dance and playing in naivety. Oh, but I'm afraid that I may have faked it and I wouldn't be caught dead in this place. Well, I'm afraid that that's right. Well, I may have faked it and I wouldn't be caught dead in this place. And isn't this exactly where you like me? I'm exactly where you like me, you know. Praying for love in a lap dance and playing in naivety. Oh, isn't this exactly where you like all our life is but a dream. Fantastic posing greed, then we should feed our jewelry to the sea. For diamonds do appear to be just like broken glass to me. And then she said she can't believe genius only comes along in storms of fabled foreign tongues, tripping eyes and flooded lungs. Northern downpour sends its love. Hey moon, please forget to fall down. Hey moon, don't you go down. Sugar cane in the easy morning, where the veins my one and lonely. The ink is running toward the page, it's chasing off the days. Look back at both feet and that winding knee. I missed your skin when you were east. You clicked your heels and wished for me. Through playful lips made of yarn, that fragile Capricorn unraveled words like moths upon old scarves. I know the world's a broken bone, but melt your headaches, call it home. Hey moon, please forget to fall down. Hey moon, don't you go down. Sugar cane in the easy morning, where the veins my one and lonely. Sugar cane in the easy morning, where the veins my one and lonely. Sugar cane in the easy morning, where the veins my one and lonely. Sugar cane in the easy morning, where the veins my one and lonely. Sugar cane. the devil in the belfry. He checked in to learn his clothes had been thieved at the train station. The rope hung his other branch, and at the end was a dog called Bambi, who was chewing on his parliaments when he tried to save the calendar business. He tried to save the calendar business. He took the days for passion and became as mad as rabbits, with bushels of bad habits. Who could ask for any more? Who could have more? The poor son of a humble chimney sweep fell to a cheap crowd. So stay asleep and put on that cursive type. You know we live in a toy. You know that Paul Cates bought himself a trumpet from the Salvation Army. Well, but there ain't no sunshine in his song. We must reinvent love, reinvent love, reinvent love. He took the days for passion and became as mad as rabbits, with bushels of bad habits. Who could ask for any more? Yeah, who could have more? We must reinvent love, reinvent love, reinvent love.
It's these substandard motels on the la corner of 4th and Fremont Street. Appealing only cause they're just that unappealing. Any practice Catholic would cross themselves upon until the rooms have a hint of asbestos and maybe just a dash of formaldehyde, and the habit of decomposing right before your very eyes, along with the people inside. What a wonderful caricature of intimacy inside. What a wonderful caricature of intimacy. Tonight's an inch range from a lawyer and a virgin, rising with a rosary tucked inside her lingerie. She's getting a job at the firm come Monday. The missus will stay with the cheating attorney. Moonlighting aside, she really meets his money. A wonderful caricature of intimacy. Yeah. And not to mention the constable and his proposition for that virgin. Yes, the one the lawyer met with on Strictly Business. As he said to Mrs. Well, only hours before, after he had left, she was fixing her face in a compact. There was a terrible crash. There was a terrible crash between her and the bed. She spilled her purse and her bag and held the purse of a different kind. Along with the people inside. What a wonderful caricature of intimacy inside. What a wonderful caricature of intimacy. There are no raindrops on roses and girls in white dresses and sleeping with roaches and taking baths. Shade of the sheets and before all the stains, and a few more of your least favorite things. Raindrops on roses and girls in white dresses and sleeping with roaches and taking baths. Shade of the sheets and before all the stains, and a few more of your least favorite things. Inside, what a wonderful share. She tend me for all the stains, and I'd be more ideal his favorite things. There's no sunshine this impossible year, only black days and sky gray and clouds full of fear and storms full of sorrow that won't disappear. Just typhoons and monsoons this impossible year. There's no good times this impossible year. Just a beachfront of bad blood and a coast that's unclear. All the guests at the party, they're so insincere. They just intrude and exclude this impossible year. There's no you and me this impossible year. Only heartache and heartbreak and gin made of tears. The bitter pill I swallow, the scar souvenir, that tattoo, your last bruise, this impossible year. There's never air to breathe, there's never in-betweens. These nightmares always hang on past the There's no sunshine, there's no you and me. There's no good times this impossible year. Orange juice, pour out half the carton. Grey goose, pour, get it started. Good times, remedy your sorrows. Baptized, don't worry about tomorrow. Shake it up, now it's time to dive in. Share a cup, now you're screwdriving. Every weekend with your friends, every weekday when it ends. Damn, it's all good, I guess. This is what it feels like when you become one of the drugs. This is what it feels like when you become one of the drugs. Searching for a new high, high as the sun, uncomfortably numb. This is what it feels like when you become one of the drugs. Welcome to the club. Welcome to the club. Welcome to the club. Never try. Every day you're thirsty, bourbon high. Sip it till you're tipsy, nights young. Searching for a feeling, big fun. Dancing with the demons, oh Holy Spirit.
Holy Spirit grips you like a fist, oh. Wet the whistle, up the sunrise crystal. Every weekend with your friends, every weekend when it ends. Damn, it's all good, I guess. This is what it feels like when you become one of the draws. This is what it feels like when you become one of the draws. Searching for a new high, high as the sun, uncomfortably numb. This is what it feels like when you become one of the draws. Welcome to the round and round and round and round and round and round. Down, it's all good. Round and round and round and round and round and round. Down, it's all good, I guess. This is what it feels like when you become one of the draws. This is what it feels like when you become one of the draws. Searching for a new high, high as the sun, uncomfortably numb. This is what it feels like when you become one of the draws. Welcome to the club. Welcome to the club. This is what it feels like when you become one of the draws. Welcome to the club. Welcome to the club.
Yeah, there's a couple of fracks, but we got it. That's the shit. That's the shit. And man, I saw you fucking lift that sax up towards the microphone, and I fell in love. Okay. I don't know if they did. All right, one more time. Here we go.
Alright, alright. Alright, alright. Alright, alright. It's a hell of a feeling though. It's a hell of a feeling though. Alright, alright. It's a hell of a feeling though. It's a hell of a feeling though. Who are these people? I just woke up in my underwear. No liquor left on the shelf. I should probably introduce myself. You should have seen what I wore. I had a cane and a party hat. I was the king of this hologram where there's no such thing as getting out of hand. Memories tend to just pop up. Drunk pre-meds and some rubber gloves. 5,000 people with designer drugs. Don't think I'll ever get enough. Champagne, cocaine, gasoline, and most things in between. I rode the city in a shopping cart, a pack of camels and a smoke alarm. This night is heating up. Raise hell and turn it up. Say if you go on, you might pass out in a dream pod. Oh yeah, don't threaten me with a good time. It's a hell of a feeling though. It's a hell of a feeling though. Alright, alright. It's a hell of a feeling though. It's a hell of a feeling though. What are these footprints? They don't look very human-like. Now I wish that I could find my clothes, bed sheets and a morning rose. I wanna wake up. Can't even tell if this is a dream. How did we end up in my neighbor's pool? Upside down with a perfect view. Bought a bar at the speed of sound. Fancy feet dancing through this town. Lost my mind in a wedding gown. Don't think I'll ever get it now. Champagne, cocaine, gasoline, and most things in between. I rode the city in a shopping cart, a pack of camels and a smoke alarm. This night is heating up. Raise hell and turn it up. Say if you go on, you might pass out in a dream pod. Oh yeah, don't threaten me with a good time. Don't fall when I try to stand. I lost a bet to a guy in a chiffon skirt, but I make these high heels work. I told you time and time again, I'm not as thick as you drunk I am. And we all fell down when the sun came up. I think we've had enough. Alright, alright, it's a you, Lord.